Yo, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. It's been a hot minute since I uploaded any content, but I appreciate y'all for sticking around. I appreciate all the new subscribers that came in. I thank everybody for that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm about to take the Hux Racing solid mounts that I have in my MR2. I'm gonna drop my motor. I'm gonna take it out. I might change up a few things while the motor is out. I'm not sure yet. I still don't know when this car is going to get completed. I'm just hanging in there, going a step at a time, day at a time. I was on vacation and I was dealing with other stuff. That's why I haven't been uploaded within the last, I could say about the last month. I really haven't uploaded anything. But I appreciate you guys for hanging out. Appreciate you guys for sticking around. And let's get into it right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take off the engine mount back there and the one back here. Just leave the one over there and the one right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and drop the back of the car down, put the motor on something, or I'm going to use the engine hoist to hold it, and then lower the motor to the ground. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I need to get this out. So I went ahead and dropped the rear subframe. Those back here. Got to drop the lower control arm, that one and the other one. Go ahead and take that out. Then just disconnect these fuel lines right here, right there. Then take off that back motor mount over there. And I'll drop the motor down. Probably going to redo that wiring harness. If not redo it, I'm probably going to get a different wiring harness. Throughout doing a couple wiring harness, I learned a few tricks on how to get the sleeve up there and all that stuff. So on mine, I had to tape it because I couldn't get the sleeve on it right. So that's probably what I'm going to do. Alright, so I got all the Hux Racing motor mounts out. Took all these out. The reason why I'm getting rid of them, they're all solid. I don't want to do the solid ones. I'm going to go ahead and get some bushed ones. And I feel like I like those better. These will probably vibrate. I've talked to people with these solid ones and they vibrate like a mofo. So I'll get some bushed ones to absorb some of that vibration. It wasn't hard. I just dropped the motor down, pulled them off. The motor's under there. See, it's over here. Dropped it down, pulled it off. I'll probably haul it out of there tomorrow. Lift the back of the car up and haul it out. There's a few things I want to do to the motor before I slide it back in there, so I'll definitely probably do that. Garage is a mess. This one not even supposed to be under there. That fell. All this stuff is in the way now. But I just dropped the motor on the those car dollies right there. Pick this up, put that over there. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this short little vlog right here. Not much done. The motor mounts are out. I'm gonna get some new ones and I'll show you guys when I put them in. Also, I got some other parts that I need to put in. I need to finish up the fuel system in the front and a few other little things, but I'll let you guys know when I do that. And I'm back with the vlog, and so like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Peace.